Guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you a magic trick with these cards. So first, actually, I want to show you the performance, and then I will just show you how to just do it. So let's start. Let's switch to the performance and let's start doing it. Guys, actually, this is the performance of the trick what I'm going to show you. And first, so you can choose any of the cards from the below. And for example, you are not here, so you choose right this one. Actually, these are two, but I will put it back here and just do it. And I will not see, but I don't have a spectator right now, so I will see what is the card. Okay. But in the real performance, you are gonna do, so you will not see it. Okay. And in this case, we have the six of hearts. So what I'm gonna do here. Put the six of hearts above and cut the deck, okay? And I don't know where's the card. I will just cut the card once again and wait. I'm gonna put it again back. So now I'm gonna predict where and what's your card. So it's fourth from the top. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your card, the six of hearts. So guys, how did I did this? And let's jump to the tutorial. So guys, I hope you like the performance, and let's now jump to the tutorial. So guys, you are now in the tutorial, and this trick actually requires some setup, because my setup is my setup is like this. I just made a 1 to 10, 1 to 13th spades, and this is the easy setup that you can do. K is for 13, J is for 11, and Q is for 12. So now you can select, the spectator can select any card. You don't force it, and suppose he took this. So in this case we have the 10 of clubs. So what I am gonna do is put the card above, make a full cut, and then now see what this card trick is doing. Now your 10 of clubs is now in front of the 1 of ace, and it's right here. So 1 of ace is the value of 1 of ace is 1 card behind 10 of clubs. 2 is showing that it's 2 cards behind. 3 is showing 3 cards behind, 4 cards behind, 5 is showing 5 cards behind, 6 is showing 6 cards behind, and it's like that. So when you cut the card, make sure the spectator is getting the spades. If it's not, so let it do and say that just do, and when till I say stop. Now in this case we have first 1 of spade. So what we will go and do back, and this will be their card. So and again I want to show you again when I'm just putting some cuts again and again. Wait, and now see it's the 5. So I just made an additional trick also, that I will say to the spectator, I know the first 4 cards from the top, and they are from 1/4 spade. So I will show them is 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and this will be their card. And you can do it again, setup, this will be their card. You can just make this will be their card, and you can just make the setup again. These are the 4 cards, and you can just put them on the top, and your setup is again ready. So hope you guys like the tutorial and the performance. If you like the video, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and like the video. Until then,